Hello guys, welcome back to Men in Fashion. In this channel, we talk about fashion, grooming and men's lifestyle. So, let's get started. So today, I am going to tell you about how to build your watch collection. A watch is a classic menswear article which can also ruin your outfit or can also make your outfit. First of all, everyone should have a black strapped watch. If you go to school or wear formals regularly, then you should go for a small dialed watch. On the other hand, if you go to institutions or have a casual work style, you can go either for a small dial or a big dialed watch. Both can look great. Large dialed watches look good in only leather, but small dial watches look great both in leather and in cloth. So, according to me, a black watch is a must-have for every man. Then the question arises about size of the dial and material of the strap. If you go to schools or have a formal lifestyle, you should go for a small strap watch. So the black color because we have black shoes in our school dress and mostly in our formal places. And the color black matches with almost every color in the world. Number 2 on our list is brown strapped watch. If you have a black strapped watch and still want something to change, you should definitely go for a brown strapped watch. It should be in a large dial so that it can be worn both formally and casually. And the material of the watch can be according to your taste. A brown is a neutral color, so it's very versatile, and if you pair the shoes and belt of same shade of brown, you can really stand out without being any overhyped. Before coming to number 3, please make sure to subscribe to Men in Fashion and press the bell icon so that you won't miss the next updates. Now we have a watch for every outfit, but sometimes we want to spice our outfit a little. Then we have 2 options. Silicone strapped watches. Sometimes when you want only a single color in your outfit and don't want any interruptions of black or brown, these work really well. But a silicone strapped watch should always be worn with a casual outfit. Second is a silver metal watch. This is a formal kind of watch which is a little manly. The silver color looks great with many colors, but it can easily catch rust and it is difficult to write or type with these kind of watches. Thank you guys for watching. This is Madhav Katyal from Men in Fashion. Like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon so that you won't miss the next updates.